Welcome on this tutorial. Wish all you are well. This is continuation of last tutorial. In last tutorial we have discussed how to declare a variable, what are different data types, classification of different data types like integer, character, float. We came to know sub-classification of integer, character, float data types and their sizes. We already know ranges of unsigned short integer and signed short integer. The range of unsigned short integer is 0 to 65,535 and range of signed short integer is minus 32,768 to 32,767. We already know how to declare unsigned short integer type of data and signed short integer type of data and what are format specifiers for those. Now in this discussion, I will discuss about different applications of signed and unsigned short integer type of data with examples. Please click subscribe button. It is at bottom right corner of this video screen. Now coming to example. This is a very simple program. I have declared here a variable a which is short integer type of variable. So when we will write short a memory will be allocated for this variable a. Say the memory is 1024. Now when we will write a is equal to 10, the value of 10 will be stored inside memory location. We may use CL or SCR. This is for clear screen. Next instruction is printf. The printf instruction is already there into the header file stdio.h, standard input output.h. So for using this printf instruction, we must use this instruction hash include stdio.h. And if we use the clear screen, it is for clearing the screen. This clear screen predefined function, this is already stored into the header file conio.h. Before starting the main function, we must include this to header file by this way. How the printf function will be written? Printf next %d. What is this %d? Format specifier for signed short integer data is %d. I must write %d in double quotation, then comma, next a. When we will write this instruction, the value of a will be displayed at the position of this %d and we will be able to see it on screen. After execution of this instruction, what will be the value? It will be 10 because 10 is there into the memory location defined by the variable a. So at output we will get 10. I am showing it by running a C software. This is that very simple program. I am running this program. See here the value is 10. So we got 10 as output. Next coming to another example. Say the variable is x and the value of x I have given here 32,769. We want to display the value of x. We have used the function printf %d, x. As nothing has been defined whether it is signed or unsigned, so by default it is signed short. So to get signed short integer type of data, format specifier is %d. Now what will be output in this case? For explanation of this, it is better to use signed short integer circle. What is this circle? What is the range of signed short integer type of data? Signed short integer type of data having the range minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. So this whole data will be represented into a circle. It will start from 0 and anti-clockwise will be counted as negative and clockwise will be counted as positive. Plus value is 1 to 32,767. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Ultimately this is 32,766, 32,767. Now negative range is minus 1 to minus 32,768. Minus value will start in anti-clockwise direction. This is 0. Minus value will start from 1. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 32,766, minus 32,767, minus 32,768. So when we declare short x is equal to 32,769, compiler will check whether this value is there in signed short circle. If it is there, then it will store the same value. If it is not there, then it will store corresponding value. So here the value is 32,769. Where is that value? This is 32,766, 32,767. So this will be 32,768 and this will be 32,769. Means corresponding value of 32,769 is minus 32,767. So at that memory location, the value will be stored as minus 32,767. Now when we will access that value by this instruction, compiler will check what is the value stored into corresponding memory location. Which is that corresponding memory location? Say this is that corresponding memory location. It will collect the data from that memory location and ultimately it will print this data. So what will be the output? The output will be minus 32,767. We will get this out. We have stored the value 32,769. When we are accessing the same value, we are getting minus 32,767. In this type of way, compiler will give no error message. It will give a garbage value as out. Now checking what I already explained, whether it is correct or wrong. See, it is that program. X is equal to 32,769. I want to display the value. I have used instruction printf %d. We are getting the result from X. Running the program. See here, the value is minus 32,767. Coming to next example related with short integer type of data. Say X is the variable I have declared here as unsigned short X and the value of X is minus 3. So when we will declare like this, for X there will be allocated a particular memory location and the value will be stored into that memory location. Whether the minus 3 will be stored into that memory location or any other value will be stored into the memory location. Here it is unsigned short integer. So we will check unsigned short circle. What is the range of data for the case of unsigned short integer type of data? The range is 0 to 65,535. All are positive. Starting from 0, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. Ultimately, it is increasing and last value is 65,535. So this is unsigned short circle. Now the variable is unsigned short and value is minus 3. When we will assign the value of X as minus 3, compiler will check whether the minus 3 is there into the unsigned short circle or not. If it is there, then it will store this value. If it is not there, it will store corresponding value. Minus 3 is not here. So it will check what will be the corresponding value of minus 3. Minus will start and will increase in anti-clockwise direction. This is minus direction. So this is 0. No doubt this will be minus 1 and this will be minus 2 and this will be minus 3. So corresponding value of minus 3 is 65,533. So in that memory location, the stored value will be 65,533. When we want to access this value, the instruction is printf. Now in this case, the format specifier is %u as data type is unsigned short. So the instruction is printf %u, x. When this instruction will be executed, compiler will check what is the value inside corresponding memory location. It will not check this instruction, it will check the corresponding memory location and what is inside there. The value inside corresponding memory location is 65,533. So it will give at the output as a value 65,533. Now I am checking whether this is correct or wrong. See the same program here, unsigned short x is -3, next printf. Running the program. See here the output is 65,533. Coming to another example related with short integer type of data. Say x is the variable which is defined as unsigned short and the value is 65,538. What we will get output? Say two types of output I want to see here. One output is specified by %u, another output is specified by %t. %u is the format specifier for unsigned short type of integer data. %d is the format specifier for signed short type of integer data. What will be the output? As this is unsigned short, x is 65,538. For x there will be allocated a particular memory location and value of this or corresponding value of this will be stored into that memory location. Now whether this value or corresponding value will be stored, how we will check? As this is unsigned short integer type of data, we will check unsigned short circle. Unsigned short circle is this one. The range is 0 to 65,535. Here the value is 65,538. So it will check whether this value is there or not. Here the maximum value is 65,535. Next value will be 65,536. Next value will be 65,537 and next value will be 65,538. So corresponding value of this 65,538 is 2. So in that allocated memory location, value 2 will be stored. When we want to access that value, we have used two instructions. This is first instruction which is having a format specifier %u. %u is unsigned short integer. So when this instruction will be executed, compiler will check what is the value of x in that memory location. In that memory location it is 2 and we wanted to get the data which is identified by this format specifier %u. It will check whether this data 2 will be there in unsigned circle or not. So it will check this circle whether the data 2 is there or not. Yes, the data 2 is there in the circle. This is that data. So it will print 2 as output. Now coming to next instruction, this is %d, x. So compiler will check what is the value inside the memory location. This is 2. As this is %d format specifier, %d indicates it is signed short type of integer. So it will check whether this data is there in signed short circle or not. Yes, this is the signed short circle, so data 2 is there. So after the execution of this instruction, the output will be 2. The value of x we have given, that is 65,538, but from this explanation we got the output 2 and 2. Now checking whether the explanation is correct or wrong. See the same program, x is 65,538 and one format specifier is %u, another format specifier is %d. I am running the program. See the output, one output is 2, another output is 2. I am explaining this short integer type of data using another example. Say x is the variable, type of data is unsigned short and the value is -32,770. When this instruction will be executed, a memory will be allocated for the variable x. Say this is that memory location, and data will be stored into the memory location. Now which data will be stored? Whether it is this -32,770 or corresponding data. The value of x is -32,770 and the data type is unsigned short integer type data. So compiler will check whether this value is there in unsigned short circle or not. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3, -4, -5, like this. I should check the corresponding value of minus 32,770. It is tedious to find out that value here. So another way I am searching how to find corresponding value of that. To find the corresponding value of minus 32,770, I am using this figure. This figure and this previous figure are almost same because both are having total number of data, that is 65,535. So our target is minus 32,770. This will be negative direction. So it is coming like this. This is minus 32,768. So this is minus 32,769. This is minus 32,770. This value from here we will get. This value we will get from unsigned short circle. As manually it is very difficult to find, so we are taking help from signed short circle, because signed short circle and unsigned short circle are having same number of data. So 32,766 is the corresponding value of minus 32,770. So after execution of this, the value 32,766 will be stored into the memory location. Now to access, when we will use printf %d, x as well as printf %u, x, what we will get? This is %d, x. So compiler will search the value of x, that is 32,766. It will check %d circle. Which one is %d circle? This one. It will check whether this value is there or not. 32,766 is there, so it will give the output here. Next one, unsigned circle. To provide the output from this instruction, it will check the unsigned circle, whether this 32,766 is there or not. This is unsigned circle. As all are positive, no doubt that value is somewhere there inside this circle. So this will provide 32,766. Now checking whether our explanation is correct or wrong. See, the value of x is minus 32,770. This is unsigned short. As a format specifier %d, as a format specifier %u. Running the program, see the value is 32,766. From this tutorial and previous tutorial, we got in-depth idea about signed and unsigned short integer type of data. Please subscribe my channel, it will help me to improve it. Put your valuable comments in comment section.